to my channel, the TKD Boy, and I have done a new haircut. You might have noticed that. So let's get towards our video. And there's a good news again. I have found my camera stand. So guys, let's think about the next kick. Okay, next kick we will do is the first combinated kick, which is a turning kick. Okay, let's see how do we do that. Guys, it was called of my uncle. No, what does that matter to you? So the next kick we'll do is turning kick. So let's see how do we do that. First, take your position. You know how to do turning. This turning kick means turning outside. Okay, just keep turning. This full name is turning outside kick. Okay, the first we do is stand your position. Okay, now this is very important that which leg you have to hit must be on which leg must be on the target, must be behind. Okay, I will switch off the fan. So guys, your leg must be behind which you okay, the leg must be behind the hitting leg must be behind. Okay, first step you will do is turn both your legs behind. Turn both your legs step by step. Okay, both your legs, pick this leg up and out it. Okay, turning outside. You know what is outside, Crescent? You know this kick, right? So I will show it in fast. Okay, just you have to turn, and just you have to do is turn behind like this. Turn behind and then, or only the, okay, when you turn like this. Okay, when you turn, immediately pick your leg up. Okay, one hand, just hit it over on the face. You know where the target must be when you are hitting outside Crescent. So I'll show it to you again. So first, this position. All you do is just turn your leg and okay, I was out of balance. I don't have much space. I told you once. Yeah. That's all you have to do. Just learn to do this. Okay, just swing this. Okay, so practice this at your home. Okay, one. Just swing your leg. Swing it as fast as you can. This is called swing. Balance, and don't forget to balance on your leg. You have to turn your leg while you do right this. So this is all you do. You have to hit this kick on the face. Here's a table here, you might have noticed. I'll show it to you. This is the table. So I cannot hit my kick. I'll show it to you from here. Okay, like this. I lost my balance. I'll show it to you from different angle. Just a second. Yeah, there it is fine. So guys, here it is fine. I will show you how to do it. First, this is the most important thing, that you don't have to step in this kick. Okay, in this turning outside kick, you don't have to step it. Okay, first on your position you have to turn and swing it fast as you can. Okay, swing and then hit as fast as you can. Okay, hit your kick. As you swing, your kick must be on the air. Okay, I'll show it to you once again. This kick is without stepping. Okay, I told you I don't have much space. Saw it? Position. This kick is in jumping too, but we'll start doing jumping turning kicks a bit later. Okay, we need time for that, right? You can't just go and jump on that. So that's all you have to practice. Just practice. I've teach you this kick, right? You must have practiced this kick. But that's all you have to do. Just pick your leg up here. Okay, just when you pick your leg, to pick it up here. Okay, just pick your leg up here, then hit it as okay. While while slow motion, you can pick your leg much, but while you swing your leg might go very much high. Okay. And I can't do it here. I need very much space. I'm sweating now. I still need to. My daily workout is still left, but no problem. Okay, bye for today. And yes, don't forget to practice the swing of that kick. That is very important to your hit of the kick. And yes, and practice the kick. I have told you that outside Grayson kick. Yeah, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. And bye guys.